What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Charmander from Pokemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna start with drawing the top of his head. So we're gonna draw a semicircle line across, and then on the right side I'm gonna extend it down with the curved line and slightly outwards as you go lower, and then turn it slightly back in at that point right there and stop there for now. So on the left side I'm gonna extend it down with the curved line as well, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn out, and then I'm gonna go back in to the right and stop there for the time being. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this corner up, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle tip on top of the eye, and then turn it back down with a curved line. At the base of the eye, I'm gonna draw across a curved line, and inside of the eye on the top right corner I'm gonna add an oval shape right there, and I'm gonna draw his right eye the same shape as well at this point right here. And then in the middle of his eye I'm gonna add another oval, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. And at the half portion of the eye I'm gonna draw across a curved line, and I'm gonna fill the top part inside the eye with black color. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the left side as well. Now for his nose, I'm gonna draw two dots at this point right here, and from this point I'm gonna draw his mouth with a curved line to the center, and then I'm gonna make another curved line on the right side, a mirror image of that line on the right, and then at the side I'm gonna add a curved line right there and right there, and on the side of the mouth I'm gonna add his teeth. On top I'm gonna draw a triangle shape on both the left and right, and then from the left teeth I'm gonna draw a curved line down to the center. Then with a semicircle turn I'm gonna go to the right with another curved line, and for the lower teeth I'm gonna draw a triangular shape at this corner right here, and another one on the right, and we're gonna draw across a curved line right there for his tongue, and it's gonna be on this side as well. And below his head on the left I'm gonna draw a curved line out for his hand, and then I'm gonna make a few triangular shape at the end of the hand, and another one right there, extend it a bit, and another triangular shape at this corner, and then I'm gonna make a curved line back to the body and stop there for now. I'm gonna do the same shape on the right hand as well. I'm gonna do 3 fingers at that corner and then turn it back towards the center, and his thumb with a triangle shape at that point right there. And then going back to the left side, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line down, and then I'm gonna make a turn to the right with a semicircle line at the bottom of his body. And for the right leg, I'm gonna take this point and draw a semicircle line down towards the heels, and then I'm gonna make it turn sideways to his nails on the toes, and we're gonna draw a curved line on top and a triangle shape for the tip of his nails. So we're gonna copy the same shape at this corner right here and another one, and then from this point I'm gonna draw a line up with a curved line and extend it all the way below the right arms. Now for his left leg, I'm gonna draw from this point right here a semicircle line down, and we gotta basically do a similar shape of the nails on this side as well, and with the heels and all. And from that point, I'm gonna do a curved line back to the center. Now in between, below his neck, I'm gonna draw a curved diagonal line to the center up, and then I'm gonna mirror that on the right side and extend it down all the way to the side of his leg. And for his tail, we're gonna draw a curved line to the back and up at the tip, and I'm gonna copy the same shape at this corner right there, and then another one at this point as well. And for the flames on his tails, I'm gonna draw a curvy line from the tip of his tail going up, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back down, and then back up and back down and back up and down and up and down and up and down and up and back at the tip of the tail. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.